In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show archived projects in Asana. If you've ever found yourself needing to revisit or review past projects that you've archived, this guide will help you easily access all that previous work without any hassle. So, let's dive right into the steps and get those archived projects visible. First, you'll want to navigate to the team page. This is where it all begins. It's important because archived projects are organized by the team they are associated with, so identifying the right team is key to finding the project you're looking for. Once you're on Asana, look towards the sidebar where you'll see a list of your teams. Click on the specific team that originally housed the project you're interested in. This will take you into that team's workspace. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to apply the archived filter. This is the magic tool that will reveal those hidden projects. Look toward the top right corner of the team's project list page. You should see a filter option there, which is your gateway to seamlessly find what's been archived. Clicking on this filter is an essential step, and it's designed to streamline the process of managing and organizing your projects. It's a feature that ensures you can easily toggle between all your active and archived projects. Once you click on the filter option, a drop-down menu will appear offering several filtering choices. Here, you'll want to select Archived Projects. This selection is specially tailored to show you all the projects that have been archived within this team. By selecting it, you'll switch the view to display only those projects that have been tucked away, safely archived for reference or future use. And just like that, with a few simple clicks, you've now accessed all the archived projects within your selected team. This setup not only allows you to revisit past projects, but also offers the advantage of reviewing and learning from previous endeavors without the need to unarchive them until you're ready. To recap, simply start at the correct team page, utilize the filter option nestled in the top right, and select Archived Projects. This user-friendly method ensures that your workflow remains efficient and your digital workspace organized. By applying these steps, Asana equips you with the tool set to maintain an orderly project management system, ensuring past projects are never out of reach. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring past inspirations and lessons back into the spotlight in your Asana interface. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you and that you feel more empowered to navigate Asana with greater ease. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.